working alongside an Iron Bevan Health Board in a project that's called Friend in Me, and we've seen within that time that through collaborative working we can achieve fantastic results. We feel that a strong part of this is the input that children from 5 local primary schools in Tredegar have been having on the residents' welfare. We noticed that children would only come and visit us at Christmas time, and since then we've put a plan in place for children to come and visit us on every 2-3 weeks. For Digital Heroes, Georgetown Primary are very supportive of the home, and we've arranged for them to come to us every 3 weeks up until the summer term. This week we'll have a group of residents who will be judging the Easter Bonnet Parade through Skype, and the work that Angela Jones has done has ensured that this relationship will continue in the future through the loan of IT equipment. There's a whole world out there that can be explored at our fingertips. The children's input is just such a wonderful atmosphere. It's not just, I'm finding that it's not just promoting the residents' well-being, but it's now promoting staff morale. And the atmosphere in the cinema lounge today has just been electrifying, and it's just so heartwarming to see these partnerships develop through the use of Digital Communities Wales. Our residents' perception of the use of computers and IT was that a lot of people would run away from it, and I think since they've seen and been given the opportunity to use the iPads and the projector systems and stuff that we have here, that's changed the perception of IT, because we're looking at old Tredegar, old Blaenau Gwent, and yeah, there's a lot more engagement now because we're not task-based. We're not providing task-based care. It's feeling-based, and it's promoting well-being. Technology is an important part in care. It's come on a lot over the years since I've worked in care. It enables us to get the residents back to who they used to be, remembering who they used to be. We've used History Pin to look at the local area to show the residents the past town clock and how it is now and to what it was years ago. We've searched up occupations. We've also used Google Earth to go back to past holidays that residents might have had. We got one lady who liked Barry Butlin, so we've been back there. Porthcawl, we've been to Blackpool, and they do enjoy going back and reminiscing.
Well, it takes one back. I'm 91 now, you know, so it takes one back, doesn't it? I was in Tredegar office for a long time, you know, and a short time with Beaufort Coir as well, you know. And it appeared on television, and I left school when I was 14. And before the end of term, I had a job in the bakery. Dim ond galon lan canu, canu di, a chanu'r nos.